Chongqing, which is also known as the Mountain City in China. Here we plan to visit the Ceres Super Factory. I'm so excited now, can't wait to witness the super speed. Let's go! The Super Factory covers an area of more than 1.8 square kilometers and includes 4 workshops for stamping, welding, coating, and final assembly. It has over 1,600 intelligent devices and 3,000 robots for collaborative operations. Inside the workshops, you'll see robotic arms in motion above and AGVs moving busily across the floor. Step outside and you'll spot autonomous electric heavy-duty trucks, nicknamed Q-trucks, giving you the feeling of stepping into a science fiction world. The Ceres Super Factory has greatly impressed me, like there are many robots, digital system, and IoT technology. And I'm wondering how such an advanced production system is controlled. Let's go and check out the super brain behind the Super Factory. Let's go. Here's the super brain, the Ceres data center. It adopts 3 sets of Huawei's FusionModule2000 and achieves 7-day fast integrated deployment, creating a super speed in terms of data center construction. The FusionModule2000 provides a 43-inch smart screen and uses digital technologies to implement visualized management of the data center. Moreover, the FusionModule2000 can be directly connected to the mobile app, allowing personnel to view its status at any time and realizing worry-free O&M. Deeper inside is the data center's power distribution room. Huawei's flagship product, UPS 5000H, is deployed here. Such a small power module can provide near super power for approximately 100 servers. It supports advanced functions such as SCCO mode and AI predictive maintenance while achieving super high efficiency. It ensures a highly reliable power supply to the super brain of the Super Factory. The Ceres Super Factory stands out in all areas, embodying super speed and shining as a new star in China's car manufacturing industry. Huawei will continue to enable Ceres in intelligent manufacturing by unleashing more of its super brain. Power the digital era forward.